After the moderate cost energy in the main quarter of this current year, the cost of Dent has proceeded to fall nevertheless battles. The crypto market has been enrolling enormous instability throughout the course of recent months. The market isn't responding great to the reception of the Dent organization and the possibility of progression of versatile information and call plans. What befell this Dent organization to free versatile information? Is there any expectation of recuperation? Is there a promising future for this organization? We should investigate the Dent network alongside Dent cost expectation. What is Dent? Scratch Coin is the local utility token utilized on the Dent network. The unused information of the client can be offered to different clients on the Dent network. A large number of gigabytes of unused are squandered consistently. Similarly as with most telecom suppliers, information can't be turned over to the following month, and clients wind up paying something else for the administrations. Thus, the clients can trade their versatile information and exchange it very much like a product. The commercial center made by Dent Digital Currency empowers portable information to exchange with other cryptographic money market members. Since information turns into a where, clients can exchange with one another and cut out the broker or the telecom organizations. However, Dent isn't completely evolved right now. The application has positive and negative surveys, yet it necessitates to rival versatile industry specialists for Dent to turn into a broadly utilized stage. Large organizations have more assets and experience, making it hard for Dent to obtain the current client base. Something else to consider is that empowering portable information exchanging is definitely not an upper hand and doesn't give a huge motivating force to another client to switch. The telecom business is immersed as of now, and despite the fact that purchasing information isn't that simple for clients, the current model actually works. While nations like Mexico and Nigeria have seen the most noteworthy download for the Dent application, it can possibly effectively target non-industrial nations where data administrations may as yet be battling. The equivalent can't be said about created nations, where enormous organizations as of now bring a functioning plan of action that attempts to the table for their clients' less expensive plans and hold them for extensive stretches. On top, all things considered, the innovation isn't exactly prepared at this point. There are a couple of bugs to a great extent and joined with low stacking speeds is precisely from ideal for new clients to encounter when they first give a shot the application. Freeing portable resources has been the pioneers' goal right all along. They mean to make this conceivable with Dent Marketplace for SM information. With bundles that differ in volume and legitimacy, the clients can track down the best arrangement that accommodates their spending plan for their particular requirements. Making the exchanging of unused SM information is streamlined. Every one of the clients need to choose the sum, set their cost, and run down their information, anticipate the overall Dent Marketplace. There are essential advantages to the Dent Marketplace. The overall SM Commercial Center permits clients to contrast postings with find a volume and legitimacy plan that meets the client's requirements and financial plan, basically freeing the SM information. It is additionally accessible for the iOS stage, as the most recent rendition of the Dent application is 4.0, which is planned a lot of smoother and fixes many bugs in the code. By empowering clients to sell their information, it is utilizing the data biological system, where clients can bring in cash for certain unused information they have. On the Dent site, they additionally began offering the Gigastore SDK highlight. SDK is a software development kit that can permit engineers to utilize its APIs to fabricate applications with the Dent SM deal usefulness. This is a move in the correct course, where individuals can find vast potential outcomes with the Dent Gigastore exchanging highlights. Scratch technical analysis. The cost of the Dent cryptographic money exchanged modestly in the underlying time of 2022. In the wake of confronting a precarious fall, the Dent cost has checked range-bound exchanging around $0.0025 in February and March 2022. Afterward, it showed a slight recuperation which took the coin cost to around $0.0036 in the primary 7-day stretch of April. In any case, after this flood, the Dent coin cost confronted dismissal and denoted a critical dive. As of late, a large portion of the cryptographic forms of money confronted critical auction, which led by Terra Luna cost crash. Starting from the start of this current month, merchants confronted vulnerability connected with their interests in cryptos. Furthermore, subsequently, they need to investigate market feeling, long-haul examination and conjectures. Brokers can click here to be aware top-to-bottom projections of cryptographic forms of money with specialized investigation prior to financial planning. The Dent coin cost has enlisted a low at $0.00081. Nonetheless, from that point forward, it recuperated soon and at present, it exchanges above $0.0011. In the following couple of days, the Dent cost could cross its most memorable opposition of 20-day MA around $0.00131, and afterward in the event that it figures out how to go on with the ongoing energy, the coin could possibly cross $0.0017 soon. Additionally, the MACD marker likewise reflects forward movement in the cost pattern. The Bollinger Band's examination shows that the unpredictability previously spiked in January. In March, the Bollinger groups reflected crush unpredictability, and afterward the Dent coin cost enrolled a slight recuperation. Be that as it may, subsequent to hitting a high of $0.0039 in the start of the last month, the Dent cost confronted critical negativity. Since the last week, the Dent coin has started a potential gain development, and consequently, the Bollinger groups are going to begin crushing. What's more, the RSI is additionally heading towards the unbiased zone. In light of the specialized markers, the Dent coin could exchange sideways before very long. Notwithstanding, in view of the ongoing forward movement, there is an amazing chance to enter positions and benefit from the exchanges. Starting from the start of this current year, the coin has confronted selling tension, and dealers saw a minor Dent cost drop. The ongoing cost of Dent is around $0.0011. The market capitalization is $113,644,172, and the 24-hour exchanging volume is $47,367,447 with a circling supply of 99,007,791,203 Dent. Scratch price prediction 2022 to 2026. The Dent cost gauge depends on verifiable information joined with precise demonstrating calculations. If it's not too much trouble, note that this Dent coin forecast ought to just be deciphered as an idea.